Hi, I'm Dave Cameron. My main research interest is mathematical optimization applied to environmental and ecological systems. Well, it all started at Sydney University. I wasn't sure if I was a chemistry person or a mathematics person, but I fell in love with mathematics, ordinary differential equations, and especially optimization. I ended up doing a research project in my fourth year at Sydney University on, of all topics, termites. I'm incredibly interested about social insects and ecological animal behavior, and using mathematics to predict and model their behavior. So in this termite project, I used optimization to predict how a queen should lay her eggs in order to maximize the reproductive fitness for a termite colony. And it turned out to have some really significant results for ecology. I did my PhD at Stanford University in the Energy Resources Engineering department. There, I was using my mathematical optimization skills, but applied to carbon storage projects. In particular, I was trying to minimize the risk of leakage in these carbon storage projects, subject to variables such as where to place injection wells and how to control the way you inject them. I built upon this research using some geostatistics and Bayesian statistical methods to determine where would the optimal position for sensor wells be, which would maximize the probability that you would be able to detect a leak in these carbon storage projects. This is really important because in carbon storage there's a huge environmental risk. This research as a whole is at the forefront um, both of subsurface flow modeling and also mathematical optimization and statistical techniques. Well, I switched gears a little bit. I remained at Stanford but did a postdoc in the geophysics department, where I was applying my mathematical optimization and geostatistical techniques to groundwater problems. In particular, I was trying to answer the question, where can you put monitoring wells to maximize your ability to detect areas that have been overpumped in a highly variable watershed, such as the Central Basin of California? Well, in my spare time, I really enjoy sports statistics, and I've been working on what I think is a new hockey metric that that has the potential to revolutionize the way we look at hockey players and how we evaluate their total hockey ability. I'd love to be in a position where I could teach applied mathematical optimization in contexts where it could be applied to ecological problems or environmental problems. That's my real research objective for now. At Quest, I love to see myself in the role of a mentor for young students who may be interested in these mathematical problems or not realize that their problem has some mathematical element. And it would be really cool to bring some level of expertise to their problems. So I'm Dave Cameron. I love optimization. I love social insects and ecology, and I love environmental problem solving. And I'm sure that Quest students will too.